assembling a Samsung Jet 27 complete vacuum. And it's cordless, so you don't need to plug it in when you use it. You only need to charge it. And it comes with this, a cleaning station. You can use it to clean the vacuum after you're done using it. So let me get to assembling that part. So here is what the vacuum looks like when it's assembled. First, let me put the battery in and show you guys how it works. And when you want to charge it, it comes with a second battery. So, and you also have this when you want to charge it. And it comes with a cable. So put it to anywhere with an outlet. Plug in the cable.
Oh, you know that one go to the.
It can be used as a charging station, so you can nail it to the wall and charge the vacuum there, so it can stand there. Somewhere else, sometime else. First, let me. Now that's plugged in, I can charge the vacuum with it. If you see it's a blue thing, you know it's charging. Now I'm gonna leave the vacuum. It also came with some tools, a crevice tool and a brush, and I think there's one more. We have this for the cleaning station. All I have to do. I don't actually. I just found out that there's a filter on this thing, so I had to put that in here.
Oh.
Okay, there already is one in here, so there's no need. And for this one, guys, you need it came with a charger that you need to plug in. You can use this. You clean this with this, and first thing plug it in.
Huh? It's 80.
Place this in here, inside. And you see that, guys? Now? There's nothing inside. Guys, this vacuum is pretty easy to assemble than other vacuums, but it was better than other vacuums we had in the past. It does a really good job, and it is really easy to clean.